Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Learn Italian with Max. Today is the lesson number 14, after the jingle. Alright, so today we are going to see the parts of the body. Okay, that's, I think, is an important thing to know in order to be complete in any language. Even in this lesson, at the end, we are going to test the understanding. Okay, so stay with me up to the end of this video and let's test your comprehension. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, I have a body. This is my body. Okay, how do we say in Italian body? Corpo. Corpo. My body. Il mio corpo. Okay, very good. So, let's see the parts of the body. Okay, the body has parts. Luckily. So, let's see. First of all, head. This is the head. In Italian is testa. This is my head. Questa è la mia testa. Testa. Yeah, I have a head. Okay. I have two eyes in my head. Occhi. Occhi. This is one eye. Occhio. Occhio. Occhi. Good. Nose. Naso. Naso. All right. Pay attention because at the end I'm going to test you. It will be so funny. Mouth. Bocca. 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 Teeth. Denti. Denti. One tooth. Dente. Singular. Teeth. Plural. Denti. Denti. All right? Good. Now I have two shoulders. Shoulders. Spalle. One spalla. Spalla. Two spalle. Spalla, feminine, singular, ends in A, plural, ends in E. Spalle. Spalle. Both. Alright. Now I have two arms. Arms. Braccia. Braccia. One is braccio. Braccio. Two braccia. Braccia. Okay? Braccio. Braccia. Well, there is a funny thing to know that in Italian, sometimes, not all the time, you can use the plural that comes from Latin, that ends in A. Because you can even say bracci. Braccio is singular and ends in O, is masculine. So plural should be ending in I. Bracci. Bracci. And you can say both. Bracci or braccia. Okay? We used to say braccia. My arms. Le mie braccia. But even if you say I miei bracci, it's fine. It's correct. Bracci or braccia. Very good. Very good. Let me see. Okay. Hand. Mano. Hand. Mano. Hands. Mani. Mani. You can't say mana in this case. Absolutely wrong. You can't say. In this case is mano, mani. That's it. Now let's see the finger. Dito. Dito. Even in this case you can say dita, plural, or diti. It's the same. My fingers, I miei diti. Or, more used, le mie dita. Le mie dita. In this case, even if the singular dito is masculine, if you use the Latin form of the plural, you have to use it to feminine way, okay? Le mie dita, right? Le mie dita, le mie dita, or I miei diti. Good. Now, my breast, like Tarzan. Okay, breast is petto, petto, petto. Even when you ask for something to eat, the chicken breast, petto di pollo, because petto is this one, petto, petto. Okay then, so the legs. I can show you, but the legs. Gamba. One leg is gamba, gamba. Plural, gambe. One gamba, two gambe. Una gamba, due gambe. Ho due gambe. Very good. Now let's see the foot. Foot is piede, piede. One foot, un piede. Two feet, piedi, piedi. Only piedi. Okay, you can use the Latin form, piedi. Piede, piedi. One foot, two foot. Very good. Now, ready for the test, okay? It's easy, it's like a game, but it's a game where we learn, alright? So, get ready, stop here in this point, listen again the previous part of the lesson, come back to this point, and be ready for the test. You will enjoy, we will enjoy, okay? Very good, welcome back. So, I think you are ready for this easy but important test. Okay, so I'm going to indicate to you a part of the body, and I hope that you answer properly. Okay, let's see this. What is this? Testa. Very good. Testa. The head. Okay, what is this? Bocca. Mouth. Bocca. Very good. Now, this one. What is this? The nose. Naso. 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 Okay. What are these? Occhi. Occhi. What is the singular? Only one. Only one. Occhio. Occhio. What is this? Petto. The breast. Petto. Okay. What is this? I use it to walk. Piede. 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 What about the plural? Both. Piedi. Piedi. Two. 2 feet. Piedi. Okay. What is this one? Leg. What is in Italian leg? Gamba. Gamba. Okay? What about the plural? The 2 legs. Gambe. Gambe. Okay? Gambe. That's fine. So I hope that you enjoyed and you learned something. Please use it, this lesson, go to the beginning and go through again until you feel comfortable to say testa, naso, occhi, petto, gamba, gambe, piede, piedi, and so on. Alright? Alright. And please use the playlist in my channel, because I have a playlist of the lessons, so you can follow the lesson one by one. I have another playlist for the Italian conversation, another playlist where you will learn something about Italy, but this is in Italian. So you will learn something about Italy and you will practice your Italian. So, a lot of fun. I hope so. So see you in the next lesson. Ciao, ci vediamo alla prossima lezione. Seguimi sul canale Learn Italian with Max. Ciao, alla prossima!